Today, the second day of the new school year, and students and other commuters in Western Jamaica were again left stranded. That's because for the second day, operators of the Montego Bay Metro Company in St. James stayed off the job, protesting what they say is the deplorable condition of the limited number of buses they have to work with. They were joined this morning by residents from Sandy Bay and Hanover who are demanding a response from the Transport Minister.
A handful of protesters at the entrance to the Montego Bay Metro Company in St. James. They have journeyed from Sandy Bay in the neighboring parish, Hanover, to add their voice to the cries of the workers at the bus company.
We need bus at Sandy Bay, because Sandy Bay children and bigger people, everybody suffering. Every time when we don't have no, when we go out there, you know, by Lucy bus and they say, no Sandy Bay, no Sandy Bay. We have to just wait and beg the Father.
They say while the withdrawal of the service yesterday was difficult, it was not much different from what they usually experience on a normal day.
When I go into Montego Bay, I have to take a Lucy bus, go up and take one come down, and it's so hard to come down.
Me need the bus, you know, because me suffer if the bus now me suffer, because even week before last Saturday evening me coming at the bus and at 10:30 because Lucy bus man we take we up from Sandy Bay and if we take we carry go to Montego Bay and if we come back they don't want to carry us down. So me need the bus. That's why me come out here this morning.
To make the matter worse, if they do eventually get one of the few metro buses, the dilapidated structure makes the journey difficult.
The bus need fix, it won't fix. Sometimes it wet up, sometimes it wet up, sometimes you go in at the edge, sit down at the seat, wet up.
In addition to those issues, the workers protested on Monday calling for a revision of the emoluments they receive. Negotiating Office of the National Workers Union Alexander Nicholson says they have been asking for the adjustment for years as their benefits are way below what their colleagues at the Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, in the corporate area receive.
We are not asking for a wage increase. What we're asking for is parity. The same driver that is in JUTC is the same driver in Montego Bay Metro. So the same salary that they get at JUTC, we're asking for the same salary at Mobile Metros.
And the residents are also demanding parity.
Kingston can't get 430 bus. St. James now have none. What happened to we? We have a garbage down here, sir? We have no garbage. So the MP, free down here, Mr. Brown, and who Minister of Transport and Charity, we need bus down here. We need it. We need 520, St. Congiwi.
Herman Green, TVJ News.